carbon fiber LG109 side skirt splitters. First, remove the two pop rivets at the front tire. Gently remove the rocker panel from the car. To do this, grab from the top of the rocker panel, then pull away from the car from top to bottom. Next, remove the Christmas tree fasteners. These are one-time use, so you'll need to buy more for installing the new side skirt. Line up and tape the side skirts to the rocker panel. This will help line up the holes that you have to drill in future steps. Now reattach the rocker panel to the car. Reinsert your two pop rivets to the front tire section. The side skirt comes with drill hole cutouts. Use a pilot to drill into the rocker panel, then fasten with a screw. You will need to do this for each of the pre-cut holes. Fasten the side skirt with your new Christmas tree fasteners. There should be one for each slit in the bottom of the cutout. Remove the tape and enjoy. You have now finished installing your side skirt splitters.
For more Trufiber and TrueCarbon products, visit trufiber.com or truecarbon.net.